Hey everyone, I'm here today to dive into a whirlwind of political change sweeping across Zimbabwe. Recently, Sengezo Tshabangu, a senator from Matabeleland North, has taken a significant leap, being appointed the leader of the opposition in both the Senate and the National Assembly. Now let's unpack what this means. The Speaker of the National Assembly, Advocate Jacob Mdenda, announced this pivotal shift which positions Tshabangu as the primary voice for the opposition in parliament. This role is crucial, as it directly influences the opposition's interactions with the government and its representation in international bodies like the Pan-African Parliament and the International Parliamentary Union. But here's where the plot thickens. Tshabangu's appointment has stirred a buzz, and not all are in favor. There's a backdrop of controversy with claims from former MP Fadzayi Mahere suggesting Tshabangu might be a puppet controlled by the ruling party, ZANU-PF. She fears this move nudges Zimbabwe towards being a one-party state. Whether these allegations hold water or not, Tshabangu's new role is undeniable. He's now the go-to person for organizing parliamentary committees and ensuring that the opposition's voices are heard in international forums. It's a hefty responsibility, given Zimbabwe's vibrant and often tumultuous political landscape. So what's next for Zimbabwe? Will Tshabangu usher in a new era of collaborative politics? Or will his tenure be clouded by controversy and skepticism? Only time will tell. But one thing is clear. The eyes of political enthusiasts and citizens alike will be keenly watching every move. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the ever-evolving world of politics. See you in the next video.